For many of us, we find ourselves staring at a computer screen for hours. Ever wonder what that exactly is doing to your sight? From red eyes to blurred vision, millions of people are suffering from something called computer vision syndrome. Dr. Lauren Pern from the New Jersey Society of Optometric Physicians joining us now to talk about the computer and our eyes. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Computer vision syndrome. Well, what in the world is that?
Computer vision syndrome is a term used to describe the visual problems that people get from extended computer use.
All right, so people are probably on their way to work or even starting work from home right now looking at the computer. So what kind of symptoms are we talking about?
Well, people get red, irritated, dry eyes, that burning feeling, or the sensitivity from the glare on the screen. Blurred vision is another common description patients come in with. And even a strained neck from trying to, strain your eyes to see the computer better.
Irritated eyes, double vision, neck and back pains are some of the symptoms as well.
That's right.
Well, people might think, well, this is just the season. I got allergies. I got this. My eyes are tired. I work long.
Right. Actually, 50 to 90% of computer users do suffer from some of these symptoms that we're talking about, and yet they might not think much of it. They might think it's normal.
And so should they be concerned?
Well, 10 million eye exams a year, according to the American Optometric Association, are done to address these computer symptoms for patients using a computer a lot.
And of course, many of the folks watching at home, of course, have kids, and God only knows they stay on the computer all the time. What about them?
Right. Just like adults, children can have the similar symptoms that we're talking about. Half of American children use a computer or a handheld video device, like computer games, for 4 hours or more a day.
So they're probably in the category as well.
Right.
Tell us how to help ourselves so we don't have to worry about the computer vision syndrome. What can we do to help ourselves?
There's actually a lot that you can do to help your eyes while you're using a computer. Look around your work environment. Do you have a big picture window with excess light coming in? Excess light is actually not a good idea when you're using a computer. It can actually wash out the image on a screen and make it harder to focus.
Of course, you want to check the glare from the monitor and force the amount of time on the computer. You brought some things here as well. What are some of these items that we can buy to help ourselves, help our eyes?
To help eliminate some of the glare coming off the screen, they actually make these commercial wipes that you can use to take the dust off the monitor, because that can refract and reflect light and cause eye strain.
All right.
They make these computer anti-glare screens that you can put up. If you have one of the older monitors that doesn't have the nice flat screen like you see here.
And of course, you say you should always have the eye drops as well.
Absolutely.
One of the big things you talked about, and we can show this to our viewers, is you say there's a proper distance that we should be from the computer. That's
right. There's a lot of misunderstanding about how a computer should be set up. And I tell my patients in our practice, look at your environment. Your monitor should be away from you. It should be 2 feet or more away and down. You should be able to look over the top of your monitor, because that is a more natural reading posture, and you are reading while you're using a computer.
So I should sort of look down at it. It shouldn't be at sort of at eye level.
That's right.
And then the last thing you're saying is that we should maybe look at purchasing some computer glasses.
Well, 2 things about eyeglasses in relation to computer use.
Where are these?
If you are over a certain age, namely 40, or if you have uncorrected astigmatism, you might benefit from a pair of prescription glasses to use on the computer. That's right, to help the eyes focus better. In addition, if you get those glasses for the computer, make sure they have the anti-glare coating. The ones you tried on here have no coating on them at all, and you see there's a lot of reflections that can cause irritation and eye strain.
The anti-glare coating I have on mine.
Do you? Very good. So this one has, allows the light to penetrate straight through. So make sure you do get those coatings.
Work glasses for the computer, as well as other items that you should get if you avoid having something called computer vision syndrome.
That's right. So make sure that you get a comprehensive eye exam to address these issues you may be having. You don't have to suffer. You can make your time on the computer comfortable and productive.
Dr. Lauren Pern, we want to thank you so much for joining us this morning.